West Indies vs England head-to-head records in one-day international matches. Total matches 108. First match was played on September 5, 1973. West Indies won 48 matches. England won 54 matches. West Indies lost 54 matches. England lost 48 matches. 0 matches tied and 6 abandoned. Hundreds comparison. West Indies has 23 all-time 100 in which most 100 scored by Chris Gayle, while England has 26 all-time 100 in which most 100 scored by Joe Root. 50s comparison. West Indies has 107 all-time 50s in which most 50s scored by Viv Richards, while England has 101 all-time 50s in which most 50s scored by Alan Lamb. Runs comparison. Most runs for West Indies has been scored by Chris Gayle. He has scored 1,632 runs, while most runs for England has been scored by Graham Gooch. He has scored 881 runs. Highest individual score comparison. Highest score for West Indies has been scored by Viv Richards. He has scored 189 runs, while most runs for England has been scored by Jos Buttler. He has scored 150 runs. Wickets comparison. Most wicket for West Indies has been taken by Malcolm Marshall. He has taken 41 wickets, while most wicket for England has been taken by James Anderson. He has taken 32 wickets. Ducks comparison. West Indies has scored 66 all-time ducks in which most ducks scored by Michael Holding, while England has scored 76 all-time ducks in which most ducks scored by David Gower. Best bowling in inning comparison. Best bowling figures for West Indies has been achieved by Colin Croft, taken 6 wickets conceding 15 runs, while best bowling figures for England has been achieved by Andrew Flintoff, taken 5 wickets conceding 19 runs. If you had liked our content, then please like, share and subscribe.